Unicity's flagship products for more than 20 years have been the BIOS-Life formulations, which are based on a proprietary and proven fibre matrix. The latest iteration of this proven blend is Unicity Balance, a careful mixture of fibre and other important nutrients. When taken consistently and correctly, it will support balanced blood sugar levels, promote healthy digestion, and reduce fat reserves. Here's how it works. Glucose is the primary source of energy for the body. As you eat, your body sees a sharp increase in glucose levels. And to manage this influx of energy, your body must produce a significant amount of insulin. When it does so, your glucose levels are reduced relatively quickly, but your insulin levels stay high, which, unfortunately, eliminates the need for your body to tap into its fat reserves for energy. When taken before a meal, Unicity Balance combats this issue by providing a more mild release of both glucose and insulin into your system. Then, as those levels reduce, your body can finally use its fat cells for energy, burning away those fat reserves.